Hi everyone, I'm Max, and today I'm going to show you how to summarize Instagram Reels using BriefMax.ai. If you've ever watched a long Instagram Reel, maybe a tutorial, a recipe, or an educational video, and wished you could just get the key points without rewatching it 3 times, this feature is for you. Let me show you how easy it is. First, head over to BriefMax.ai. You'll see our content tabs at the top: text, PDF, image, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Click on the Instagram tab. Now go find the reel you want to summarize on Instagram. Tap the 3 dots or the share button and copy the link. It'll look something like instagram.com/reel/ followed by a bunch of letters and numbers. Paste that link right here in BriefMax and hit the summarize button. BriefMax will extract the transcript from the reel, yes, even if there are no captions, and our AI will analyze it to pull out the most important information. In just a few seconds, you'll get a structured summary with a document overview showing what the reel is about and who created it, key sections breaking down the main topics, bullet points highlighting the essential takeaways. This is perfect for saving recipes, remembering tips from tutorials, or quickly reviewing educational content. And if you're a pro subscriber, you can export your summary as a PDF, share it to a workspace with your team, or save it to your history for later. That's it. Instagram Reels summarized in seconds. No more rewatching, no more taking notes by hand. Try it out at BriefMax.ai, and if you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next one.